Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to duplicate items in Minecraft 1.20 Bedrock edition. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now, there are just some small things that you should put into consideration in order to run this glitch properly without any problems. The first thing is to use the Bedrock edition of Minecraft, so this glitch won't work properly with other editions like T-Launcher edition, for example. And the second thing is to do it as quickly as possible. And the third thing is to use the items that I'm gonna show you right now. And all you have to do this glitch, a golden pickaxe or any pickaxe that you can break with it so fast. The second thing is the number of blocks that is gonna be displayed on your screen according to which platform you are using to do the glitch. If you're using a PC, you're going to need 10 blocks of cobblestone. If you're using PlayStation 5, you will need about 9 blocks. And the third thing is a barrel, and also the items that you want to duplicate. And there's also a small thing that can interrupt working of this glitch, is using any other updates rather than 1.20, because every time they download or update the version, they fix some bugs. Now, what you're going to do is to put the barrel right here, then place the number of blocks as you can see in this way. Now all you have to do now is to make a backup of your world, and to do that, save and quiet to title and go to single player, click on the world that you want to make a backup, then click on make a backup. And there's a small thing that I want to say, that here in my video I use T-Launcher edition, so there may be some differences when you do the same steps. Now after that, go back to your world, then put the items that you want to duplicate in this barrel right here, just like this. And now all you have to do is to break all these cobblestones as fast as possible, as you can see. Then force shut down your game, and here, because I am on the PC, I used Alt plus F4. And now what you're gonna do is to open back the game. Now after opening your world, when you try to open this barrel, it will show you that you have duplicated the items right here in this inventory. But here in my case, because I'm using T-Launcher, it didn't work with me. But when you do the same steps properly with your Bedrock edition, it will run properly. So try to do these steps on your Bedrock edition, and tell me if you are facing any problem down below in the comments. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.